Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make jam popsicle. This is one of the easiest popsicle you can ever make. First take some jam in a saucepan. You could use any jam as you like. Just heat it a little bit in a little bit till the jam is melted. Add in some sugar and mix it really well, and that's it. Now you have to let the mixture cool down and you can add in some milk. If you add milk to this mixture when it is hot, the milk may curdle. So make the jam mixture cool down and add in some milk and mix it really well. You could skip the entire step and put everything in a blender and grind it, so it will turn out just as fine. Now take the popsicle mold and fill the mold with this jam mixture and put the lid on and freeze overnight. While removing the popsicle mold, run the popsicle mold in some tap water and unmold it. That's it, your jam popsicle is done. Kids will love this for sure, so try this and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you.